Let's see this previous year question, and the question says that NaClO3 is used even in spacecraft to produce oxygen. The daily consumption of pure oxygen by a person is 492 liter at 1 atm and 300 Kelvin temperature. So how much amount of NaClO3 in grams is required to produce oxygen for the daily consumption of a person at 1 atm 300 Kelvin? इसमें एक्चुअल में ये बोला गया है कि जब हम स्पेस क्राफ्ट बनाते हैं तो उसमें NaClO3 यूज होता है, राइट? और इसके यूज के टाइम आपको ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस होता है. सो आपसे एक्चुअल में ये पूछ रहे हैं कि कितना अमाउंट इसका रिक्वायर्ड है, हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ NaClO3 इज रिक्वायर्ड. और गिवन कंडीशन क्या है यहाँ पर? इट इज गिवन दैट टू प्रोड्यूस ऑक्सीजन यू आर हैविंग प्रेशर 1 atm and then temperature 300 Kelvin. Also volume is 492 liter, right? For this you should know an ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT. So by using this equation we will solve our question. So PV is equal to nRT and value of R is 0.08 to 1, while you are having liter volumes in the liter and pressure in atm. So pressure 1 atm, for this you have to calculate number of moles. So pressure is 1 atm and then volume is 492, then value of R, and then temperature is 300 Kelvin, right? By this you will get the value of N as 20 moles. On calculating, the value of N will come out to be 20 moles. Now by stoichiometry, here 1 mole of NaClO3 is required to form 1 mole of oxygen. So 1 mole of NaClO3 is required to form 1 mole of oxygen, right? But since we have to find for the 20 moles, so 20 moles ही हमारा NaClO3 का require होगा for the formation of 20 moles of oxygen. NaClO3 required is NaClO3 required is 20 moles, right? But since you have to calculate the mass, so multiply moles by molar mass of NaClO3. The molar mass of NaClO3 is 106.5 gram per mole. So multiply moles by molar mass, that is 106.5. Further, on calculating, you will get answer to be 2130 gram. That means the correct answer is 2130 gram.